Love is not for the weak. So do not give people time to laugh at you. If you're in love, show people that you're in love. Post your partner. Post love songs. Oppress those who are single with me.
Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You heard it yourself from Tirelo, the video that she actually shared on her status on Instagram, saying that love, guys, is not for the weak. Love is not for the faint-hearted. Oh. Especially, guys, if you're gonna get into a Zesthembu type of situation, love is not for the weak. And she goes on to say, don't give people time to laugh at you. Live in the moment. Post your partner. Enjoy your relationship. Post memes. Post love poems about your partner and etc. You guys don't basically. So yeah, you guys, in case anyone thought it's easy, there Tirelo confirms for herself that listen, this thing is not for the faint-hearted. It requires it requires someone who is strong, because ziyabuya guys kukhala nangapha kukhala the people who are not in esthembini. There's people who are in monogamous relationships bayakhala. Everyone, guys, kuyakhala left, right and center. But gist of the story is that love is not for the faint-hearted. So pasopa, as Mselingu would say, pasopa, guys, be careful out there, because listen, if you choose to be in love with someone, you are really putting yourself through the risk. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about the video, of your sentiments. Love not being for the weak. Do you think it's really true that love is not for the weak? Or do you feel like when you find when you find a person who's good for you, then you don't have to be worried about being weak or strong, because you know the person's gonna love you in the right way? Tell me what you guys think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.